Were you taken by surprise? या आपको लगा नहीं कुछ तो होगा, लेकिन हमने सोचा कि इंडिगो की जवाबदेही है, इंडिगो विल मैनेज इट. Did Indigo take the government of India and the ministry for a ride?
ये सवाल आंसर करने के लिए अभी टाइम बाकी है मेरे पास. ये कि गवर्नमेंट को राइड पे लिया है, have they arm twisted? This is a question which I'm still answering. I'm in the process of answering. Because here the tussle is not between the government and the airlines. It is not between me and the Indigo. There are people involved. There are people who are relying on these airlines who want to travel across the country from point A to point B. It is my responsibility to take care of them also. It is my responsibility to normalize the operations, look at the stability of the operations, and then I am doing an inquiry on Indigo also how this has happened. And the question that you asked, it is utterly shocking that suddenly on one day that this situation happens. Even though 2 days back they have met DGCA regarding FTTL and they don't even mention about this.
तो was it deliberate? क्या आपको लगता है कि इंडिगो को या तो लगा कि यार मिनिस्ट्री कुछ करने नहीं वाली, डीजीसीए चलते रहेंगे ऐसे, फरवरी चली जाएगी, we'll be okay. Was it that? Or were you I come back to it, were you taken for a ride by Indigo?
ये दोनों का मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया. इसका जो आंसर है वो इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ, हम लिखने के प्रोसेस में ही है. इसका जरूर हम समाधान देंगे और ऐसा समाधान देंगे कि कोई आगे आप या कोई और देश में कोई नहीं पूछे कि मिनिस्ट्री को राइड कर लिया किसी ने.
It will never happen again.
It will never happen again.
ये गारंटी आप दे रहे हैं सब पैसेंजर्स को, it will never happen again.
अगर ये मैं नहीं करता तो मैं क्यों रहूं इधर? I am the minister of this country taking care of this aviation sector and it is my responsibility to ensure that this doesn't happen. And the reason why it has happened is to be found out also. And that is why we have put an inquiry behind this.
You see, because I also, and you can correct me if I am wrong, एक statement आई है that you have said that you will sack the Indigo CEO. And I am not able to understand. Can government of India sack a private company CEO? That is for the board of Indigo to do. Is it, ये भी क्या public को खुश करने के लिए minister is saying, don't worry, I will sack the CEO, when actually you have no powers to sack the CEO of Indigo.
Rajiv ji, again here there has been no precedent in these kind of incidents. And definitely there is a rule of law through which we can act. But here we have to consider the kind of disruptions that have happened and the distress that the people have gone through. And if I've said, you have to reconsider my statement here, I have said that if it comes to the point where there is found that due to the negligence or due to the inability of people in the senior management, or let it be a certain position, if it was their inability to act upon this or their mismanagement of this, then definitely we will take up action of that regard in the interest of the people. We will not hesitate. That is exactly what I said.